Did we? Okay, good. It stayed together. I was worried. Let's go ahead and... Ooh.
It's pretty.
Yeah, sparkly.
Yeah, it is.
Swirling chalcedony, some iron staining gives it kind of a citrine look.
Mm.
Lots of sparkles. That's nice.
I like it.
All right.
Beautiful.
A win or something?
I think he's fine.
Oh, okay. There we go. All right. Thank you.
No problem.
That's a good crack. Hmm.
It's pretty.
Mm-hmm. You're getting a lot of that kind of citrine color out
Yeah.
of these lately, so. Ooh. Okay.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
A little bit of rose quartz.
Yeah, a little pink to it. That's. I like that.
Me too.
My goodness.
You were choking, now you're forgetting. It's Wednesday.
I've got so much to do before I leave town. It's unreal. Ooh, that's a good one.
That was a good one.
Oh, that's a cool one. You got a bunch of the iron staining there. There's a little bit there too. I thought that was a different formation, but I love those water clear crystals.
Yeah. Yeah, in the middle of it, kind of.
You got a lot going on with it.
Yeah.